Do you and your spouse own a property, and can you shift more income to the lower income earners to reduce taxes? Answer is yes. If it's done legally and through proper documentation, it is possible. I'm Rashid, and in today's video we'll look at how can you split your incomes with your spouse. Now, to legally and efficiently split rental income with your spouse in the UK, landlords must follow specific HMRC rules. This can help reduce your overall tax liability, especially if one spouse is at a lower tax bracket. Here's a clear breakdown of how it works. For example, if one of the spouse is a higher rate taxpayer and the other is lower rate taxpayer, then you can split 90% of your income to the lower earner, so she or he ends up paying at the normal rate of tax. Remember, fake arrangements or paper-only declarations without matching ownership are not accepted. Now, step-by-step guide is as follows. Number 1, determine ownership structure. Joint tenants or HMRC assumes a 50-50 split of rental income by default. You can own unequal shares, for example 70-30, 40-60, but this must be declared to HMRC. Now, to declare this, you have to use a declaration of trust form. A declaration of trust form is also known as deed of trust. It is a legally binding document that outlines the ownership of shares and financial interest of the individuals in the property. If you want to split income differently from the legal ownership, you will need to file a declaration of form. You'll need to file a declaration of trust. Next, you'll have to submit a Form 17 to HMRC. Now, Form 17 is to notify HMRC of the agreed income split. Remember, Form 17 is only valid for married couples or civil partners, not for unmarried couples. You must also submit a copy of the Declaration of Trust with HMRC. This must be done within 60 days of signing the declaration. You've also got an option to update these with land registry records. But remember, if there's any change in the land registry records, it can trigger some cost like stamp duties, solicitor's cost, or it may affect mortgage lending or your contract with the mortgage people. Now, if you need to discuss more about your property income restructuring it, you can always contact us at the numbers given below. Thank you.